Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create an account on Uber. Okay, the first step is to actually download the Uber app. So if you haven't already, just go ahead and head over to the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android and search for Uber and download the official Uber app. It's the one with the black icon and the white U, which is what we have here. So this app is going to open in a couple of minutes. I have already gone through the process of signing up. I'm going to walk you through how it works. So once the app is installed, just go ahead and tap to open the Uber app. Then that's going to walk you right into the welcome screen. On the welcome screen, you'll see two buttons. Just go ahead and tap Get Started. You're going to see Get Started and Sign In. So tap Get Started to begin creating your account. Now, Uber uses your phone number as your login ID. So just go ahead and enter your active mobile phone number and tap Next. And just follow the prompt. Make sure it's a number you have access to because Uber will send you a verification code. So a 4-digit verification code will be sent to your phone via SMS. Type the code into the app to verify your number. Uber app verification screen tested. All right. Now enter your full name and email address. Make sure your name matches your official ID, especially if you plan to use Uber abroad. Then go ahead and tap Next. Create a secure password for your account. It must be at least 8 characters. Choose something memorable but safe. Then tap Next when you're done. You will now be asked to allow Uber to access your location. Go ahead and tap Allow while using the app or Allow once. This helps the app detect your pickup location. Uber may prompt you to add a payment method like a debit or credit card or PayPal. If you want to skip this, just tap Skip or Not Now option at the bottom. Congratulations, you've just created an Uber account. You'll now be taken to the home screen, which we have here, where you can enter your destination and start booking your first ride. And that's how you can create an account on Uber in just a few quick steps. Go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.